Good morning, everyone. My name is Dhruvika Srivastav and I am a Vita Junior student. I have made this project as part of my course. This is an ice cream map. I can set the position where I want to make my ice cream through these arrows. I'll make it right over here. Then I can select the flavor. I'll go with strawberry. And when I click on this button, it will make me ice cream. And I can always erase the canvas to make a new ice cream. Now let's have a look at the code. So this is the code for this app. First, because we want the turtle to be shown, we'll put a show block. And then I've used labels so that we can control the arrows. Because this is a whole image. So when we click on the labels, it has to show because sometimes it gets hidden. Then it should be pen up because we're not drawing a line, and then it will move 10 pixels up, here 10 pixels down, left and right. Now this is an image, not a button. So when we click on it, it will be pen up just in case and then pen down. The pen color can be any color if we haven't taken the flavor. And the pen width, I can put 10. You can put any. And then this is the function ice cream. I'll explain that later. And then we pen up and turn to 360 degree so that it's still pointing forward. Now the function ice cream. This is a function so that I'll just have to code once and I can call it many times in the whole code. So to make an ice cream, we have to pen down if the pen is up, and it won't affect if the pen is already down. The pen color will get the text from here. Its ID is color, so that's why I've put here color. We are going to make an arc for the semicircle and then make the cone. This is the code. The pen color will be brown for the cone and it will move forward by 100, turn left by 120 degrees because it's a triangle. And that will repeat 3 times. Now, when the flavors change, it has to show here the colors. So this is the code for that. So I have used the if statement for this. If the flavor is equal to mango, it should set text in the color yellow because a mango is yellow in color. If it's strawberry, it should set color red. If it's orange, it will set the color orange. And if it's chocolate, it will set the color brown. And now for the erase canvas button. Here we are putting the pen down and getting the pen color from the background because we want it to look like it's erased. And then we are making a dot which is as big as the screen so that it will look like it has vanished. Thank you and have a nice day.